Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have admin rights. Without them, you can't stop system services. Once signed in, press Win plus R, type services, MSC, and hit Enter to open the services console. You'll see many services, scroll or type W to jump, then find the service named Windows Update. This is the control point we'll change. Make sure no active updates are installing. If they are, let them finish or restart later to avoid corruption. Now you're ready for the action on that service. You now disable the service itself so updates won't start automatically. Right-click Windows Update and choose Properties. Set Startup Type to Disabled because manual or automatic allows restarts. Next, click the Stop button to halt the currently running service. This prevents immediate downloads. After it stops, click Apply and OK to persist the change. Once done, check the status column. It should display stopped. This prevents automatic updates until you intentionally re-enable the service. You finish by verifying persistence and adding a safety layer. Restart your PC to confirm Windows Update stays stopped. If it restarts, check that you used an admin account and that group policy or other management software didn't override you. For extra safety, use Group Policy Editor, gpedit, MSC, or a registry tweak to block automatic update behavior. Only do this if comfortable editing system settings. If updates re-enable. The key troubleshooting tip is to inspect scheduled tasks, third-party update tools, and domain group policies that may enforce updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.